Hi friends, this is your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to speak about June 2021 predictions, monthly predictions, sun sign based predictions, and we are going to see what is in cards for you. So before we start the video, I would like to request you all to like my YouTube channel, to subscribe it and press the bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. Friends, I have also launched a new brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is an integrated destiny management solution brand which talks about multiple astro streams like astrology, numerology, palmistry, vastu, crystal therapy, aromatherapy, mantra therapy, then color therapy, and multiple other combinations of these streams. So do explore the services under that brand, because it is also extensive services that we offer and a very scientific services that we offer under that brand. We are present on Instagram, on Facebook group, as well as YouTube, and for Astro Vruksh we are also present on LinkedIn, especially for the corporate audience over there. So do follow us, do like us, subscribe us, share your comments, share your inputs about the readings, about the services that we offer. So without wasting too much of time, let's quickly jump to your reading for June 2021. Let's see what's in cards. Hi Pisceans, let's see what's in cards for you for June 2021. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have walking away energy that is ruling you in the coming times. Now this energy is suggesting that somewhere you are already in a comfortable situation. It's not that you're bleeding out of money or relationships or anything, but you are planning to explore something new. Now this new could be with regards to relationship, it could be with regards to job, change of location, change of faculty which you have been practicing for such a long time. Maybe you want to explore something more, you want to go away from out of your comfort zone into little discomfort zone to learn and explore little more, which is, I would say, a bit positive move, and you will get an opportunity to do that. However, let's see what other cards are suggesting. We start with your relationship. In relationship we have 8 of Wands energy, which is in upright position. Now this card is suggesting that your relationships are blooming, they are going very good, they are being successful, and they are seeing a renewal and revival in the relationship. Now whether you are married or you are in partnership, your relationship sees the growth in the coming time. If at all you have been planning a family or a childbirth, yes, this is a good month to explore that possibility. You might be blessed with happiness and a good news over here. Those who are single in a partnership, they might expect a commitment or a long-term commitment proposals. Those who are single planning to get committed, they might get proposals from different sources which are really potential and good proposals. They should explore to get these proposals well, so that they can get committed over the period. Other than that, the other other relationships which we are thinking of, like a partnership or a relationship with your parents, with your kids, with different segments like colleagues, yes, this is the time when you might be renewing, reviving those relationships. Whichever relationship you were struggling with while you were drawing this spread or checking this spread, that relationship is expecting healing, that relationship is seeing revival, renewal. So be rest assured that your relationship will be healed over the period in the coming month. Coming to your career, we have Devil card in the reverse position and the Magician card in the reverse position. Very strong major arcana cards. They are suggesting that somewhere you were getting attracted to some addiction, or you were getting attached in a wrong way, or maybe in a romantic way where it should not, at your workplace, which is really hitting you hard, and that has really led you to loss of goodwill, that has led you to stress, that has led you to wrong addictive behavior and spoiling of your image, which has actually led you to lose control over your position in your career. So somewhere you were very intelligent, very smart person, but you were not you were in position of control and leadership, but right now your image is suffering. You are overall you're feeling lack of control in handling things, people, situation and all that, and that might lead you to a little downfall here. However, there is still a lady who is all supportive to you, who is well connected. She's good at heart, she's well networked, well connected, and she has an intent to help. only if you convince her that you are the right candidate to help. So just be rest assured to handhold this lady, to hold hand of this lady, because she's ready to handhold you if she finds you genuine enough and potential enough to be taken care of. Coming to your finances, friends, we can see Three of Wands in the upright position. Now, this card is suggesting that somewhere you have done some investment, you're waiting for results of some investment from your investment, and that has actually delayed for some time or for some reason. But here the advice for you would be keep patience. Things will shape up in time. You will get the results soon, but you might have to wait for the coming month, during the coming month, for these results. So don't cling to the past is a message for you, which is suggesting that clinging to the past might actually make you or lead you to take some wrong decisions in life. So don't cling to the past. Just ensure that you are learning from the bad experiences, or you are learning from the good experiences from the past and using it wisely to build your future. So don't cling to the past in the negative way. Coming to your health, friends, we can see a very beautiful card, that is a Ten of Cups card in the upright position, which is suggesting that everything positive is possible in terms of health. You seem to be healing well in terms of your relationships, in terms of your emotions, in terms of your body health, and also your spiritual health might be really very much at a peak. People who have been planning for a baby, or planning to conceive or trying to conceive, yes, this could be a good month to try that conception phase. The stars look good, the time energy looks good overall. Be connected to your conscious, because your spiritual energy will also be heightened. So be connected to your conscious to amplify this energy to a higher level. Coming to your chakra advice card, holistic health is a card which is suggesting you that totality of health care is possible in the coming month, and you will be taking care of that health. Just ensure that you're wearing a lot of red color, which will keep your self-worth and self-confidence energy on, and it will boost your energy to a different level. Past life issues is the card suggested by angels. So angels are suggesting that whatever problems you might be facing could be your past life karmas, that is, could be your actions which you have done in past, which are leading to a negative result in current time, leading you into some losses, especially in the career segment, as we can see it. So hold on till the right time comes up and try to heal your karmas if possible, so that, and be connected to the divine source to help you heal faster. That is the only way to come out of this situation. So I really hope that this reading helps you guys, Pisces, and very good luck to all of you. Friends, I really hope that this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. In case if you are looking for a personal appointment, you can connect with me on my email ID or on my mobile number. You can follow me or put me a message on Facebook, Instagram. I am very much accessible over there. You can also put me a email if you want to, if you have any query or a detailed query. Don't mention your personal query on YouTube channel to retain your privacy. Do share my videos with your friends and family, so that more and more people can see it and get the benefit out of the free general readings and the pick a card readings that I keep on releasing every month. Also, put a comment, do share your input and feedback and suggestion on the videos, so that I keep on improvising and helping you with what you need in terms of reading. I hope this reading helps you guys. Very good luck to all of you. Stay safe, stay secure during this tough time.